Get ready to embark on a thrilling journey into the world of factorials, combinations, and permutations with 10 mind-blowing facts that will leave you in awe. From the incredible growth of factorials to the surprising applications of combinations in everyday life, these mathematical concepts are truly fascinating. But that's not all. We'll also explore the power of permutations and how they relate to probability. So buckle up and prepare to be amazed by the beauty and complexity of these mathematical marvels. Number 10. Factorials grow incredibly fast. Did you know that the factorial of 20 is already a number with 19 digits? Number 9. The symbol for factorial is an exclamation mark. When you see a number followed by an exclamation mark in math, it doesn't mean the number is excited. It's actually the notation for factorial. For example, 5 means 5 factorial, which is 5 by 4 by 3 by 2x1 equals 120. Number 8. 0 factorial is equal to 1. This might seem counterintuitive, but mathematicians have agreed that 0 equals 1. This definition is useful in many mathematical formulas and helps maintain consistency in calculations involving factorials. Number 7. Combinations are used in lottery systems. When you buy a lottery ticket, you're actually dealing with combinations. The number of possible winning combinations in a lottery is calculated using combination formulas. For instance, in a 649th lottery, where you choose 6 numbers out of 49, there are 13,983,816 possible combinations. Number 6. The combination formula is often called n choose k. In mathematical notation, it's written as Cn, k or nk. This represents the number of ways to choose k items from a set of n items, where the order doesn't matter. Number 5. Permutations are used in cryptography. The science of creating and breaking codes relies heavily on permutations. Many encryption methods involve rearranging letters or numbers in different orders, which is essentially creating permutations. Number 4. The number of permutations of n distinct objects is n. This means that if you have 5 different colored marbles, there are 5 equals 120 different ways to arrange them in a line. The number of possibilities grows rapidly as n increases. Number 3. Combinations and permutations are related, but different. While both deal with selecting items from a set, permutations care about the order of selection, while combinations don't. For example, selecting ABC is the same combination as CBA, but they are different permutations. Number 2. The concept of factorials appears in nature. Believe it or not, factorials can be observed in the natural world. For instance, the spiral patterns in sunflowers and pine cones often follow sequences related to factorials. Number 1. Factorials, combinations, and permutations are fundamental to probability theory. These concepts form the backbone of many probability calculations. Understanding them is crucial for anyone studying statistics, data science, or any field that involves analyzing chances and outcomes. These are just a few of the amazing facts about factorials, combinations, and permutations. These mathematical concepts are not just abstract ideas, but powerful tools that help us understand and analyze the world around us. From predicting lottery odds to designing secure encryption systems, they play a crucial role in many aspects of our lives. But wait, there's more. Did you know that factorials were first introduced by Christian Cromp in 1808? Or that the study of combinations dates back to ancient Indian mathematicians? The history of these concepts is as fascinating as the concepts themselves. Let's dive a bit deeper into some practical applications. In biology, combinations help scientists understand genetic variations. In computer science, permutations are used in algorithms for solving complex problems. Even in everyday life, we use combinations when we deciding what outfit to wear or what toppings to put on our pizza. Here is a fun fact. If you had 50 standard playing cards and wanted to know how many different ways you could arrange them, you'd be dealing with 52. That's a number so large it's difficult to comprehend. It's estimated that if you started shuffling a deck of cards and made a new arrangement every second, it would take longer than the current age of the universe to go through all possible arrangements. But don't let these big numbers intimidate you. Understanding factorials, combinations, and permutations doesn't require advanced math skills. With practice and the right approach, anyone can grasp these concepts and appreciate their beauty and utility. Remember, math isn't just about memorizing formulas. It's about understanding patterns, solving puzzles, and seeing the world in a new way. Factorials, combinations, and permutations offer a unique lens through which we can view the complexities of our universe. So the next time you're playing cards, buying a lottery ticket, or even just arranging books on a shelf, take a moment to think about the mathematical principles at work. You might be surprised at how often these concepts pop up in your daily life. We hope these facts have sparked your curiosity and given you a new appreciation for the world of mathematics. Whether you're a math enthusiast or someone who's always found numbers challenging, there's something fascinating for everyone in the realm of factorials, combinations, and permutations. Do you have a favorite fact about factorials, combinations, or permutations? Or maybe you've encountered an interesting application of these concepts in your own life? We'd love to hear about it. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting math content. We'll be exploring more intriguing mathematical concepts in future videos, from the mysteries of prime numbers to the wonders of geometric sequences. Stay tuned. Remember, math is all around us, and understanding it can open up a whole new world of possibilities. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. Who knows what mathematical marvels you might discover next? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next mathematical adventure. Until then, keep calculating and stay curious.